to play some kind of good game here. Okay, let me just. Okay. No. Sitting with a different one. Why is there a Roblox girl here? Why is there an Uwu? It's time to go. Let's go. Okay, so everyone is here, being with Spot, and I just, bro. Ikaw.
Padalibig ko na yun si Chloe.
Ikaw man to! Diba ka nag-record ko?
Huh?
I'm recording.
Why?
I'm seriously recording.
Why?
I don't know why. But I'm seriously recording. Airplane! Airplane! 2! Oh my god! Now that was unexpected. Did we just do a barrel roll? Let me in! Let me in! Let me in, please! Let me in. Let me in. I'm seriously recording. And I don't actually know why. I'm seriously playing on mobile and I don't know why. I don't have a computer. Oh, did you just hit again? I didn't even see that. I can't say!
You're going to post that on YouTube?
Yep.
Oh.
You posted.
Hi guys.
Alright.
Welcome to Chloe's
No.
channel.
No. They say no about channel, bro. Did anyone else see that? Again?
Chloe is cute.
You made that girl stuck! Sorry! Okay, and congratulations for what have you done? This girl here is stuck. Jump! Jump! Oh my god, jump! What is these even for? Okay. Follow me to the next room. I'll give you some instructions. President is getting ready. I'm gonna make a mess. Everyone, welcome back. He gets mad every green. Who's Lavender? Where's Lavender? Oh my god, stop! Hold on a second. That's why. Why don't you go over? It's water really late. Oh my god. Oh no, I am so sorry. Get it! Yeah, they couldn't leave. Seriously, having a heart attack. Let's go in. Okay. I'm really good at cooking, but I don't really know how to cook in mobile. My friend is already in there. Another.
Oh my gosh, ow.
My cousin who built that brick wall. They were just doing I'm sorry, it's a habit. It's mine. Anyways, we're
Please, I want to come in.
Can I please go in? I really need to go in. Have a different computer. My name is
Yes, thank you.
President of the United United States. We're watching United States. That
I'm watching
you must know that you are the heroes just for this nation. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment.
Open it, Dad. Hello.
Oh, sorry to interrupt. Help you, Mr. President. But the food is not ready.
Ow! Ow! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
What? Got that chef off this plane.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
We will
I'm
take
stuck.
care of him,
I'm
Mr.
stuck.
President.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh, mga maganik. Gito na kuan gani. Nice. You look like a great chef.
No! I don't know how to cook in mobile.
I hate doing this.
Just get in there.
I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming to the kitchen right now! Stop being toxic. How are you, Tree? I'll tell you the ingredients, and so you have to find so the fun time.
I'm stuck this door.
Okay, I found all of the ingredients here. Just in case. If you grab the wrong ingredient right in the trash can. But wait. Okay, ready? Yes. Where's the eggs? Again. Soup needs grapes.
Grapes faster.
The food is ready. Ease. I just got a heart attack. I'm gonna sit here. It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be here. Oh my god! Stop chatting! It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. Let's win. And 1, 2, 3. Hello. Did you just seriously stand up? Ease to eat.
Hang on.
Ease to eat. I love this kind of thing, bro. Okay, we've seriously finished it. Bye. I think I must pause the video. Yeah, I think I need to pause the video. We are now in a computer room, and everyone's seriously blind. They don't know where the computer is. Welcome to the computer room. Okay, we use this room to protect any and not attack our systems. Okay. What about you? You're a monster! Okay, the president is waiting at the president. How are you inside? In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Okay, I'll go pause. I'm gonna take that note.
Hello.
I'm gonna take that note.
Is my name there?
Give me the note.
Where my name?
Give me my note. Give me the note. Give me a 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 note. So I have to leave really. I know that the key is here, but usually it's hidden. I usually play this, but then I just
Key.
usually I
Why you need a key?
Anyway, as our very special sleeping members in the bedroom. Oh, private room. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Keys, can you look for it? Can you look for them?
No. No.
Open the door then. Literal glitch. Haunted. Haunted. This is where you spend. You'll spending the night of you. Kaya ko ba?
No. Di ako naghulog. Kapay gagmay.
Okay, I'll eat that in a
Kaya man nga.
but I'll do this sometimes. Guys. It's like I never played this before, but actually I played it before I got my channel.
I want to play this now. Wow, Chloe is so good. Labay na ni?
Guys. I know that could be like some kind of creepy thing. Love was about to get in. Are we safe now? Nope, not really. The floor. Get on something right quick. Oh. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys.
The fire is gone. What is happening? It's the agent.
That's mine.
Hello?
That's mine.
Who is there?
I wake up in the morning.
Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pallet. That is the door. First.
Let's play
Just
baby baby.
How do we both come in?
Tagyani ba baby baby?
Twilight Taker. No, after ini. After ini.
Kane ba?
We out here. Be ready to go. Be ready to go hunting. You will not escape this time. Where is it? Ah! Let him. Oh my god. I know what to shoot. Who to shoot. The door is open. saw that monster again.
What?
Did he follow us here? It didn't follow you here. Okay. Okay. It made you come here. Again. I know there is something wrong here. The good news is I'm not just a pirate. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this. It's a monster. He wants to be human, but he has no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever likes him. And there was something about planes. He died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His bird still chases people like you guys. It's because he brings some funny stuff. What? No, the story. Monster. He can take any shape. You could be any agent or even the president, but I'm not sure. Got it. Let me get it. You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. I'll be standing here. So who is taking the shot?
Me. Seriously?
I will do it.
Oh my god!
You loser! Start calling, agent. Alright, good luck, guys. I know. There you are. We've been looking for you.
Oi, Chum Chum!
It's over. We've discovered
Ako ka pwede kong kaili.
Agent! Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about it. We know. It's gonna be the agent. You're making a mistake. Okay? No, what about I shot you? We are not monsters.
Boss baby. Basha and the bear.
Boss baby! Boss baby!
Series na.
I don't trust
Di na series!
It's TV o bulok sika. Na precious.
Ah, good. The agent's dead.
Okay.
He about to scream. Ah! What is that? What is it? It's the monster.
Oh my god!
Hey, Mr. President.
Warcraft.
It has been haunting us since the first trip. It tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us.
American assassin.
That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Congratulations, passengers. You saved me once again. Okay. That was so scary. Let's go home. At least it's finally gone now.
Person.
Finally.
Person.
Wow!
Wow, what a
Ah, the
coincidence.
pictuid.
Three.
The pictuid na ba?
What happened to actually like I said could have been
Katikid.
I don't care if I. Hold up. I got it.
Ano naman, Precious? Godzilla, King of the Monsters.
Looks like I have one now.
I'm just going up.